The next sum, okay, for this session is a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she preferred to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? It means we have to draw 2 right angled triangles. Right? The reason is the contractor has to build 2 slides. One for the children below the age of 5 years and the other for the elder children. So we have to draw 2 right angle triangles. First I will draw, okay, because we know without right angle triangle trigonometry cannot be imagined. I will call this as A, B and C. This is 90 degree. In first case, height is 1.5 meter and it is inclined at 30 degree. So this is 30 degree, right? The second slide is for the elder children. So this will be big. This is 90 degree. We'll call this as P, Q, R. What is the height of? Yes, this is 3 meter and it is inclined at an angle of 60 degree. What should be the length of the slide in each case? The meaning of this is what should be the length means in first case we have to find AC. This is the length of the slide and in second case it is PR. These are the length of the 2 slides. I will rub this, okay, and then I will solve. First I will solve this triangle. I'll take it up, right, and then solve. I'll write again. This is A, this is B, and this is C. This is 1.5 meter, and this is 30 degree. I'll rub this. Okay, and then I will take this one. We have to find AC. Now use old Harry and his old aunt. Old Harry and his old aunt. What is O by H? Sine. What is adjacent upon hypotenuse? Cos. O means opposite. H means hypotenuse. A means adjacent. H means hypotenuse. O by means what? Tan. Because it is opposite upon adjacent. Let's see. This is the reference angle. This is opposite side and we have to find length of the slide AC. AC means hypotenuse. So what will come? Sine. Because sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. So I will write here. In triangle ABC sine 30. Why sine I have told you? So this is opposite side and hypotenuse we have to find. So opposite upon hypotenuse is sine. Sine 30 is equal to opposite. Opposite is AB upon hypotenuse is AC. What is the value of sine 30? 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is equal to AB. AB is 1.5 meter upon AC. Do cross multiplication. AC ones are AC is equal to 1.5 into 2 is 3 meter. So the length of slide in first case is how much? 3 meter. Second triangle I will solve now. Second triangle. What is the second triangle? This is P, this is Q, this is R. This is 60 degree and here it was 3 meter. Right? Now, what I will do? Again, I will use this old Harry and his old aunt. This is reference angle. What is PQ? Opposite side. What we have to find? PR. What is that? Hypotenuse. Means opposite upon hypotenuse is sine. So I will write here. In triangle PQR, sine 60 is equal to, right? Opposite means PQ upon hypotenuse is PR. What is sine 60? Root 3 by 2 is equal to PQ is how much? 3 upon PR. Right? Do the cross multiplication. PR into root 3 is PR root 3 is equal to 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. Now, what will be PR? PR is equal to 6 upon root 3. But if you see here, root 3 is irrational number. So whenever denominator is irrational number, we have to rationalize to make the denominator rational number. So PR is equal to 6 upon root 3 into this root 3 will come in the numerator as well as in the denominator. PR is equal to multiply numerator with numerator. What is 6 into root 3? 6 root 3 upon, see the denominator, root 3 into root 3 is 3. Divide it. 6 upon 3 is 2. 2 root 3 meter. So length of the slide in second case, that is PR, is equal to 2 root 3 meter. Writing unit is very important. If you don't write a unit, you will lose or you may lose half mark. Clear? The next one is a kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination means angle of elevation. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. First I will draw the figure and then I will solve. P, Q, R. Right? They are given. Angle of inclination is 60 degree. One more thing is also given. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. 60 meter above the ground means this is 60 meter. And we have to find the length of the string. This PR. PR is the length of the string in the figure. Clear? PR is the length of the string. Now I will solve here. Okay? In triangle PQR. In triangle PQR. Now this is the reference angle. What is this? PQ is opposite side because it is given. What we have to find? PR. What is PR? Hypotenuse. So if this is opposite and this is hypotenuse, means PQ is opposite side of angle R and PR is the hypotenuse. We have to take sine. Why sine? Because sine is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. So I will write here sine 60 is equal to opposite. Opposite means PQ upon PR. What is the value of sine 60? Root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2 is equal to PQ. PQ is 60 upon PR. To cross multiplication, PR into root 3 is PR root 3 is equal to 60 into 2 is 120. I'll take here. PR is equal to 120 upon root 3. But see here, denominator is irrational. So I will rationalize it. PR is equal to 120 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. PR is equal to 120 into root 3 means multiply numerator into numerator, that is 120 root 3, and denominator is root 3 into root 3 is 3. So PR is equal to 120 upon 3 is what? 40, and this root 3 as it is. So the length of the string is 40 root 3 meters. One more thing, okay, you have to keep in mind, in board exam, in the last step, even you can place the value of root 3 as 1.732 or whatever value is given in the example. That value you have to take and then you have to do the multiplication. But even if you keep like this 40 root 3 meter, still okay, it is 100% correct. So this is the method of this sum. Understood? The next sum is a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Now if you look at this sum, there are two angles. Till now we have used only one triangle, but here you have to use two triangles in one figure only. See how? I draw the figure here. This is A, B, C and D. This part, this is the boy. This is the boy. What is the height of this boy? 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. And what is the total height of the building? Let's call this as AF. What is the total height of the building? 30 meter. This is whole is 30 meter. But the sum says that the angle of elevation from his eyes, it means his eyes is here, so angle of elevation will be here. So what is the first angle of elevation? 30 degree. And the angle of elevation increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. So when he is coming from this point D towards the building, then angle of elevation is increasing from 30 degree to 60 degree. So first it was 30 degree, now it is 60 degree. But keep in mind, okay, we don't have to take the height of the building. We have to subtract the height of the boy from the height of the building, because this is observer's eye. So we have to take the height from the eye side, not from his foot. So in such cases, wherever height is given of a boy or a girl or any observer, we have to subtract it from the total height of the building. Or even in some examples, they may use the word tower. So what will be AB? AB. Again I am telling you, okay? We have to find AB. AB is not 30 meter. The height of the full building, that is AF, is 30 meter. So we have to take AB. AB is equal to total height of building minus the height of the boy. What is AB? Total height of building. What is total height of building? 30 minus height of the boy. Let's call it as DE. What is DE? 1.5. So AB is equal to, what is 30 minus 1.5? 28.5 meter. 28.5 meter. I will write here. This is 28.5 meter. Now, I will take first triangle. Either you take full triangle ABD first one, or you can take angle ABC. You have to take two triangles. Both the triangles have to be right angle triangle only. We cannot take any other triangle. Triangles have to be right angle triangle. Now, what I will do? I will rub this, and then I will write here. Okay, this AB on the top. AB is equal to, what is AB? 28.5 meter. Now, I will take first triangle as triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what is the reference angle? 60 degree. We'll call DC as X and BC as Y. We'll call DC as X and BC as Y. Reference angle is 60 degree. What is AB? Opposite. What is CB? Adjacent. Because we have to find adjacent. So as per old Harry and his old hand, okay, AB is opposite, CB is adjacent, means tan will come. In triangle ABC, tan 60, because reference angle is 60. Tan 60 is equal to opposite. Opposite is what? AB upon adjacent. Adjacent is BC. Right? Now place the value of tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3 is equal to, AB is how much? 28.5 upon BC. Take one in the denominator. Do the cross multiplication. BC into root 3. BC root 3 is equal to 28.5 ones are 28.5. So BC is equal to 28.5 upon root 3. Rationalize it. Rationalize it. So BC is equal to 28.5 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. I will write here. BC is equal to, multiply numerator with numerator. 28.5 into root 3 is 28.5 root 3. Denominator, root 3 into root 3, 3. BC is equal to, now divide 28.5 by 3. It will be 9.5 root 3. If you divide it, okay, you will get answer 9.5 root 3. What is this? Meter. BC we got 9.5 root 3 meter. Now, what we have to do? Now we have to take big triangle ABD. I'll rub this and then I'll take that triangle ABD. Right? ABD. In triangle ABD. Why ABD? Right angle triangle. Because in trigonometry, you cannot imagine without right angle triangle. This is reference angle. What is AB? Opposite. And in triangle ABD, what is the base? BD. BD is what? Adjacent. So if AB is opposite and BD is adjacent, then it will be tan. As per old Harry is old and tan. What is the reference angle? 30. Tan 30 is equal to, opposite means AB upon adjacent means BD. What is tan 30? 1 upon root 3 is equal to AB. What is AB? 28.5. 28.5 upon BD. BD is what? BC plus DC. BD is what? BC plus DC. 1 upon root 3 is equal to 28.5 upon x plus y. Why x plus y? DC is x, right? And BC is y. Do the cross multiplication. X plus y ones are x plus y is equal to 28.5 to root 3 is 28.5 root 3. BC. BC means what? Y. BC means Y. So Y is what? 9.5 root 3. This is 9.5 root 3 plus X is equal to 28.5 root 3. X is equal to 28.5 root 3. 9.5 root 3 will go on that side, will become minus 9.5 root 3. X is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3 is 19 root 3 meter. So this is the method. The question was, okay, find the distance evoked towards the building. So the distance evoked towards the building is 19 root 3 meter. This is the way. Again I am repeating, when you are okay, you see the triangles, okay, having two angle of elevations, you have to take both the triangles as right angle triangles only. Then only you will get the correct answer. The next one is, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. From a point on the ground means base will come. From a point on the ground. This is a point on the ground. The angles of elevation. Angles of elevation means there are now two angles. Of the bottom, and you know very well, without right angle triangle we cannot. This is the angle of elevation of the bottom. What is the angle? This is 45 degree. And the top of a transmission tower. This is the transmission tower. And this transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. This transmission tower, okay, I will call this as A, B, C and D. And then I will join this AD. Because it is said that this transmission tower, here what is transmission tower? AB. Transmission tower is AB. It is standing on the building. What is the building? BC. What is the height of the building? 20 meter. So transmission tower is standing on a 20 meter high building. And the angle of elevation of big triangle is how much? 60 degree. Okay, this angle is full angle is 60 degree. Full angle is 60 degree. Now I will solve. I will write here, okay. BC, okay, is the height of the building. That is, what is BC? BC is equal to 20 meter. AB is what? Is the height of the transmission tower. I will write here. Let H be the height. Let H be the height of the transmission tower. Transmission tower. What is transmission tower here? AB. So what is AB? H. Now this is the base. We'll call it as X. If it is a single part in the base, call it as X. You can take any variable, but generally we take X, Y. So we'll take X. Now what we have to do? We have to take two triangles, one after the other. First I will take this small triangle, the small triangle. What is the angle of elevation of small triangle? 45 degree. In triangle BCD. In triangle BCD. This is the reference angle D. What is BC? Opposite. What is CD? Adjacent. What is opposite upon adjacent? Tan. So what I will write here? Tan 45 is equal to opposite. Opposite means BC upon adjacent means DC. Tan 45. What is the value of tan 45? 1 is equal to BC. BC is 20 upon DC is X. DC is X. Do the cross multiplication. X 1 is X is equal to, and if there is nothing means 1 is there in the denominator. 20 ones are 20. Right? So this is 20 meter. Now the bottom triangle is over. I'll take the big triangle. What is the name of big triangle? ACD. I'll rub this. Okay. X is 20. I'll rub this part also. Keep in mind, okay, whenever you are drawing the figure in exam, draw it to the right hand side and the solution should be on the left hand side. Now I'll take the big triangle. In triangle ACD. ACD. What is the reference angle? See the reference angle. 60 degree. Right? This is the reference angle. What is AC? Opposite. What is CD? Adjacent. Means what? Tan. Because opposite upon adjacent is tan. Tan 60 is equal to AC upon DC. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3. AC. AC means what? AB plus BC. AC means AB plus BC. What is AB? H plus. What is BC? 20 upon DC. DC is X. Already we have found the value of X as 20. Do the cross multiplication. X root 3 is equal to H plus 20. But what is the value of X? We have found here 20. So it becomes 20 root 3. This 20 comes on this side, becomes minus. Now see, what is common? 20. In bracket, root 3 minus 1 meter is equal to height. So this is the height of the transmission tower. Clear?